Hi there, I'm Christy with WTI. It's really important for me to protect my hands while cleaning around the home, whether it be washing dishes, cleaning nasty toilets. That's why I love these cleaning gloves from Pacific PPE. What I like about these is I feel like I have good dexterity, so I'm not dropping dishes. These have a really nice non-slip grip, but they're not too thick to where you feel like you can't feel, if that makes any sense, with your hands, but still serve as great protection. When I wash dishes, I use really hot water, and this protects my hands from getting burnt. It keeps my hands from getting dry and chapped, or my child's nasty pee that ends up on the toilet instead of in it. Another thing I like about these gloves is the crimping design on the end. This makes them feel secure, so I don't feel like they're slipping down. It keeps water from slipping up and underneath your glove, which, as you know, is super annoying. I really like the length of these. They come just about an inch or two below my elbow, so I have lots of protection, not just for my hands, but well up my arm as well. So I'm really happy with these. They keep my hands well protected, doing all the things that I need to do as a mom, as a wife. So if you're looking for something to protect your hands as well, I think you should check them out. But that's just my point of view.